What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is your tour guide Rob, and today I am out in the corner of Hyde Park, also known as Hyde Park Corner. And there's something very curious. Along with statues of the Duke of Wellington, the artillery monuments, and the infamous Wellington Arch, you can check out our Facebook for videos on that. We've got something rather curious just over this way. So let's go and have a look. Starts with one. And then another. And then there seems to be quite a few more of these pillars, cross pillars. This one, interestingly enough, says the man who introduced rugby into New Zealand. After attending Christ College, Finchley, North London for 2 years to complete his secondary education at an English public school, returned home to C.J. Munro returned home to Nelson and persuaded his classmates to take up rugby. From Nelson, the game spread rapidly to other areas of the country, and within 20 years, there were few districts without a rugby club. So interestingly, that one's about rugby. What have we got here? So it's quite hard to read. So thank you for bearing with me. But it says, whatever you do, remember you have the manner, the honor, and the good name of the moon people in your keeping this night. Do your duty to the last, and whatever comes, never turn your backs on the enemy. It's kind of one of those things like respect the sea. And then finally, there's a lone pillar here with many poppies. And I think we can finally say, or see here clearly, this memorial commemorates the enduring bonds between New Zealand and the United Kingdom and our shared sacrifice during times of war. It is a symbol both of our common heritage and of New Zealand's national identity, I should say. Guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video with us here on Wonders of London. If you enjoy our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be back very soon.